Yo, what's up guys? My name is JT and we're going to run a train right here on Model Railroading Southwest. So you're probably looking at this and wondering, what the heck does this have to do with running a train? Well, let me tell you guys what this is. So these are coal loads. I made them out of extruded foam. Now the reason I did this is because I was looking online. I really couldn't find anything for RD4s and 50-foot coal gondolas. So I decided to make my own. I found some for bethgons, but I figured if I'm going to make the rest of them, why not make, all of them homemade? So what you're looking at is on the top, those white things are some templates that I made out of some foam core board. I just measured them, cut them up, and they fit perfectly in the gondola. And then I put those on top of some extruded foam, traced them, then I cut those out. And that's what you're looking at on the bottom of those pink ones. So these are for all my coal gondolas that don't have loads in them. I ordered some Woodland Scenics coal, and so hopefully those work out pretty good. So let's take a look at the engines that we're going to use and then also the cars. So hopefully you guys can tell that I got a brand new camera. This is a brand new 4K mirrorless camera with a Zeiss lens on it. This thing is sick and it was expensive. So hopefully it has a better picture quality than the iPhone, and it better, because this, like I said, this thing was expensive. So in my opinion, this film looks way better than the iPhone. It's more crisp, more well-defined, and it has like a cinematic look to it, in my opinion. And especially in the editing program, when I can see them side by side, this thing completely blows away the iPhone. I'm not saying anything bad about iPhone. It's just, the iPhone really wasn't doing it for me anymore. There was parts on the layout where it just wasn't working. Just the lighting was just really weird. And I was having a hard time in the editing program to make it look good. So one thing about this camera, it has a huge learning curve to it compared to the iPhone. The iPhone's like, say, like a V6 Challenger, and then you get into this one, it's like a Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. There's just a huge learning curve. I actually had a hard time with it when I first got it, but I'm getting the hang of it. So hopefully this is going to look good on this video. So I had to practice with it in order to make a new video like this one today. So let's check it out. So what I'm going to use are these new ScaleTrains. They're not new. They're ScaleTrains Gevos. I'm using 6163, 3685, and 3682. So let's go take a look at the cars that I'm going to use. So here are the cars that I'm going to use. So I have a total of 6 BNSF RD4s, and I have a total of 18 50-foot coal gondolas, which are a mixture of the CPOX and Burlington Northern, and I have 6 Union Pacific bethgons. So I have a total of 28, and I'm going to put those coal loads in here, and then we're going to run this train and we're going to check it out. So here we have it. I have these all painted up, and this is what I'm using. I'm using this Coal Mine Run by Woodland Scenics, and I have a few over here that I've been working on. As you can see here, they're still drying up some. I got some glue on them, so they're coming out pretty good. So let's see what the final product looks like. So I'm going to put some of these coal loads on these cars to show you how they fit. I know they're probably going to look really horrible, me shoving these on, but as you can see, there's some coal material on the side there, and I'm going to have to kind of shove them into the car. I really don't want to sand the sides down because I painted them black, and I don't want the pink to show in any way. So one thing I wanted to show you is that I labeled these. So these ones say RD4, and then this one 50 foot, and then this one is B for bethgon. So let's try to put these coal loads on these cars. I know this looks horrible, but it's really not bad. It's just a little bit of the coal on the side of the load, and it's just coming off just a little bit. And it's fitting pretty good. That looks really good, guys. Look at that. You could make these at home with, like I said, pennies on the dollar. I probably spent maybe $10 making these, and they just look really good. Check that out. Let's check out the 50-footer. See, a little bit of material came off the side, but that's perfectly fine. So overall, look at that. They came out really good. Now let's try this one here to see what this one looks like. All done. Look at that. These are just absolutely, for lack of better terms, they look freaking good. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and put the rest of these on the cars and check out what they look like on the layout. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I had a lot of fun making those coal loads. It seems like a tedious job, but it's not. It's actually fun, and it only took like 2 hours over the course of 2 days, and that's for like 28 of these, and that's quite a lot. So if you have like 6 or 12 of them, it's not going to take you any time at all. And actually the satisfaction of just doing it yourself and sitting back and looking at them and saying, dang, those look good and I made those myself. It's just, I think that beats just buying some. And you're in it about 280 bucks if you're going to buy them online, and here you're in it about 10 bucks. And the satisfaction really outweighs the time spent doing it. And, you know, it outweighs actually buying your own from the store. So, like I said, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like. You know, there's a lot of more content like this in the future. I always try to put out a video either once a week or every 2 weeks. So if you guys have any questions, put in a comment down below. If you have a long question or if you want something more private, send me an email. I'm always happy to read those, and I'm always happy to email people back. I get them actually quite frequently, so it's nice to be able to talk to people. So that's pretty much it, guys. Talk later. Take care and keep it to the rails.